Hi there, welcome to another VIVE education video. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the host controls in VIVE Sync. Let's get started.
If you're planning to host a meeting or teach a class in VIVE Sync, you'll need to know how to use the host controls. The host controls let you take charge of your meeting by muting participants and controlling their access to tools and other features. To open the host controls, open the Sync menu and then select Roles and Permissions. In the Roles and Permissions window, the meeting hosts appear on the left and the meeting participants appear on the right. You won't see your own name on either side, but other users will be able to see it depending on whether you're the host or a participant. The controls in the upper right allow you to enable or disable basic sync features for meeting participants. You can stop them from teleporting, lock them to their seats, mute or unmute them, and prevent them from sharing content. These controls disable the corresponding features for all participants. If you want to disable a feature for a particular user, select the user from the list. There's also a host icon to the left of each user's name. Selecting the host icon assigns the user as co-host and moves their name to the host list. Selecting it again removes host privileges and moves them back to the participant list. The controls below the participant list are for managing access to sync tools such as the camera, laser pointer, and pen. Selecting Lock All disables all the tools at the same time. You can only enable or disable access to sync tools for the entire room, not individual users. And that's it. With host controls, you can make sure that your VIVE Sync presentations remain free from interruption.
Hi again, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in learning more about VIVE Sync or other VIVE products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.